Founders are experts in building products, raising capital, and scaling businesses. They are rarely trained in the matters of governance or regulatory compliance. From your experience, Upasana, what roles does the compliance officer play in helping founders understand these responsibilities, and how can compliance teams move beyond being seen as gatekeepers and become strategic partners in the company's growth journey?
Truly said, Rishi, founders are actually wired for building products, taking risks, raising capital, scaling their operations. But at the beginning, they always, feel that compliance is an administrative process only. So they really speak a different language than what compliance speaks. So for us, it is a role of a translator, I would say, that let's not tell them the compliance as a work, but when we translate this compliance language into their language, like we talk about the risk associated with not complying with it, the trust which we'll gain from the market if we comply, if we are a good governed company, the valuation which we can get, the boost which we can get in the market. So these all things will help the founders understand what is the importance of governance and how it is just not an administrative function, but it is also a feature, a integrated pipeline backbone in the company itself. So we should, instead of just spelling out words of governance in our legal language, should always behave like a translator and speak the compliance language of founders.